are here at Seolim and we are going to look for the preparations of Sajao. So this is this beautiful St. Anthony's Church, and as you can see, the mascot over here is already kept, the black dog. This is the huge dog that is going to be displayed at the welcome sign of Sajao. Okay, and Sylvester, do you have something to say?
Actually, Changyang decoration आम्ही करता असताना आम्ही वेलकम त्या डॉगाच्या गोमटान घालता आणि वेलकम करता for everybody.
Yes.
That is the sign of us.
So, and many people click pictures.
Many people are coming and clicking the photos and all.
Yes, so this dog did not have a name, they just named it Black Dog.
Black Dog.
Yes, and you can see how huge
It
it
is
is.
Black Dog.
So आता आम्ही पाविल्ली आसा शिवोले वाडयेर आणि हांगा जशें की तुमी पळयतात सजावाची सामकी नेटान तयारी चालू आसा आणि ओवर हियर द सजाव कमिटी, द मेन सजाव कमिटी इज वर्किंग. सो दर एक वाड्याचे आपले म्हणटा तुमी व्हडी आसता म्हणून.
Yeah.
सो तुमचे सेपरेट व्हडी आसता काय तुमचे म्हणजे कमिटीचे वेगळे कितें व्हडी आसता?
ना आमची वॉर्ड म्हणजे वाडयेची
हां,
वाडी बॉयज
वाडी
अशी
boys.
वाडी
So,
बॉयज म्हणून व्हडी 2-3 जातात हांगा.
आता आम्ही पळोवपाक वता वाडी बॉयजांचे व्हडे जे स्मॉल पायणेंतल्यान खंय तरी वता. सो लेट्स गो एंड सी व्हाट दे आर अप टू. That is the St. Anthony Church and the creek, okay, where all the boats are going to go, and that is where they will stand and get down. And there is a cross over there on which they will put the coffel. And here is the boat of the Wadi boys. आणि ते हांगाच्यान उदकान देंवोवपाचें आसा फाल्यां, and from here all the boats are going to go to the creek and then onto the stage for the performances. If you all have not listened to the interview and if you all do not have a background of what is going on, please go and watch my interview on my YouTube channel. When we took a shot of the mascot earlier, they were painting his ears and his teeth. Okay, and now he's here and he's all set to welcome all the people for Sajao. Normally I get scared of dogs, but then this dog is really huge and cute, so I feel like holding him. And right across the road is where the festivities happen. So let's go there and see what the people are up to. We're across the road now, and the first thing that you can see over here is the timeline of the Sajao held for 32 years. And you all can observe that Sylvester is being featured in almost every photo out there. And the different types of floats that you all can see at Sajao, like the crocodile and whatnot. So if we go a little lower, this is the kuris where they put the coffin. Okay, as explained in the interview, if you haven't watched it, it's there on my channel. And here is where every, Vado, they come and they put their coffin and they will put those firecrackers and all. This is where it happens. And moving on over here, this is the stage where they perform their folklore and their songs and different types of dances. That is why it's said that if you want to experience Sajao, come to Seoul. As you can see, हांगा सामके ट्रेडिशनल डेकोरेशन सुद्धा चालू आसा. सो ही हांगा चुट्टांची मोळा केल्ली आसा. सो तुम्ही कितले दीस जाले ही हांगा तयारी करपाक लागला?
ओके, माझे नाव एलिसन फर्नांडीस. हांव सिओलिम सांजाव ट्रेडिशन कल्चरल बोट फेस्टिवलाचो जनरल सेक्रेटरी. तेच भाशेन म्हाजे बारी म्हाजो इश्ट हा जो मेंबर आमचे कमिटीचो बॉब गिल्सन गोम्स. ही मॉल ना ह्या वर्सा आमी पयलेच फावटीन करता आनी जरी तर तूं पयशी ही मॉल ना इट्स हार्ट शेप. ही आमचें ट्रेडिशन, ही आमची संस्कृती. ही दिस आर्ट इज डायींग पळोवंक वचशी जाल्यार आमच्या गोंयान. फॉर द आतां कोण न्यू जनरेशन जर तूं इसाशी तांकां कांय खबर ना. ओके, बट दिस इज आर आर्ट एंड वी वॉन्ट टू शोकेस दिस इयर दॅट वी हॅव टू कीप आर आर्ट. आमचें पळय ट्रेडिशन आहा कोण्णां मोवपाचें. हें कोण्णां मोवलां एक बायल आहा तिचें नांव साबिना. शी इज फ्रॉम पार्रा. तें हें कोत्ता मोल्लां आनी शी ऑल्सो डज टीचिंग क्लासेस ऑफ मोल्लां at Edriquez farm, who's the proprietor is Tanya. So ह्या वर्सा आमी हें दाखोवंक सोदता. तेच भाशेन हो हांगा तुवें पयला आसतलो एक बीग कॉपेल करतात आमी विथ फ्रेश फ्लावर्स एंड ऑल दॅट. आनी हांगा एक व्हडलो बॅकड्रॉप येतलो आनी आमी बॅकड्रॉप करता ह्या वर्सा लायक अ फोटो बूथ. सो जे पळय येतलेत सांजांक ऑन 24 फाल्यां तर तेंच्यांनी हांगर येवचो ह्या फोटो बुथाक रावन फोटोग्राफ काडचे आनी आमकां टॅग करचे आमचो पळय शिवोलीम सांजांव हें आहा इन्स्टा
Yes.
पेज तेचेर. So this is how it is. We are targeting people this year.
So that's how you all are planning to target
Yes,
through
yes,
decorations.
yeah, through decoration.
Okay. And how do you think everybody comes together out here to represent Sajang?
See, आमचो पळय ट्रेडिशन हो सांजांव हांगर शेवले इगोजेच्या फुडल्यान करतात आमी. हो 1 आनी 2 वर्सां फाटलो न्हू. वी आर हो सांजांव करता मोर दॅन 25 years now.
Okay.
Okay, आणि every year the crowd capacity of the crowd वाडत हा. आता म्हाका दिसता last year we had a crowd of more than 6,500. आणि the beauty about this Sanjav is traditional म्हणटा कित्याक आमी we don't serve alcohol over here. There's no alcohol. जरी तर कोण पियेता पुत्यान we will make sure, आणि कोण committee member तर पळयत बाबा कोण पियेता बाटल्यो घेवन आहा, we go and tell them Baba, please drink. If you want to drink, move out from this area, drink and come. But you are not allowed to drink in this area. तेच भाशेन आमच्यो बोटी आतां न्हंय आहा आमची, ते न्हंयन सोट्या अराउंड 9 कलरफुल बोट्स येतले, फ्लोट्स येतले फाल्यां डेकोरेट करून सगळे डिफरंट कितें थिम्स घेवन येतात ते. And they will come on the stage, they will portray themselves, they will dress in different costumes आसतले तांचे. So, you know, overall if you go to see, it's typical traditional Sanjav. कोण पळय नी काजार आहा, कोणाक भुरग्यां जालां, ओ कोणाक ने घर बांदलां, ते दाली म्हणून घेवन येता.
दाली म्हणजे
दाली म्हणजे इट्स डिफरंट फ्रुट्स, लायक यू नो you'll have mangoes, आमचे पणस, मागीर पायनॅपल, सगळे ते दालयेन आसता. ओके, सान्नां आसता, वडे आसता, दोणे आसता, पातोळ्यो आसता. सो ते घेवन येतात थंयसर वयर. सो लायक यू नो इट्स लायक सेइंग थँक यू to the Lord for blessing them with a child, blessing them with their marriage. So हें जावयांचें फेस्त also. सांजांव is also जावयांचें फेस्त. सो जे पळय जावई शिवोले काजार जाल्यात, सो ते सगल्यांनी येवंक जाय हांगर. ओके, आनी येताना वजें घेवन येवंक जाय तूं बायलां मारी. सो ती दाली घेवन येवंक जाय. हो जावयांक आमी दर्जो दिता. दर्जो म्हणजे an importance.
Okay.
He is important for this tomorrow's day. So we make him feel more comfortable, we make him feel more home.
Okay.
Okay, so आता तो समज सालसेताक सोडून आहा, आमच्या हांगोल शिवोलेचें कोण चेडूं सालसेतान काजार जाला, सालसेत सायडीनचो तो जावई येयलो शिवोले, जाल्यार इट्स अ प्रेस्टीज फॉर अस टू हॅव हिम फॉर द सांजांव, बिकॉज ही इज आवर जावई. So that's how it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you very much for the information.
Thank you.
Yes. So you all have seen what all traditions and what all things they are going to portray at Sajau on the 24th of June, that is tomorrow. So I'm requesting all the Goikars and tourists and everybody to come here to Siolim at Saint Anthony's Church and visit the Sajau here. Viva Sajau!